Yeah, I actually was the one. I was talking to Coach on the side because I didn't want to completely interrupt the Zoom because he was in the middle of trading, obviously. But since he's away, I wanted to ask all the VIP members, since I was the one curious about joining. I guess you kind of already answered my question, but wanted to get more details on if you really thought it would be worth it for me to join because I'm more leaning toward joining. I just kind of wanted to get like a second round of confirmation on what y'all's thoughts were.
My norm was massive red days before I joined the VIP, and now I'm climbing back out of the huge swimming pool hole that I dug for myself because of the VIP.
Well done.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard this morning, but it's changed my life. Just past couple weeks, my trading is going to the next level just from being a member in there. So it's well worth it.
I've had ebbs and flows, but in the last few weeks with this, my confidence level is much better. I feel like I'm more in tune with what he's going to say through the day with those extra couple of minutes, so that I could listen and hear where he's going and what he's thinking. And so previously, Coach would say things and I would totally miss them, but now it seemed like I have the secret decoder ring. When he says something, it clicks. And that is what's making, the days I've been having the last, week or two have been great. Now, granted, I've had, some bad days, but those were when I didn't listen. I went rogue, but there's always a tidbit, and every single one of his services I've signed up for, and I've gotten value from it because I don't know everything. He doesn't know everything, but he knows a hell of a lot more than I do. And when I trained to compete, I hired a trainer. I hired a posing coach because I wanted to win. And I don't want to lose any more money. So I'd rather invest so I don't. And I can tell you that the $2,500 was a drop in the bucket, especially like a day like today. The confidence you get, I think, really pays for it. The one-on-one, which he's not doing anymore, was worth its weight in gold. That's why I jumped on the VIP so early, Mitch, right after you, because, it was, I see the value.
For me, it's everything that everyone said, but I think the most benefit I got out of it, regardless of the money, right, and whatnot, is knowing when not to trade, and don't react to all the call outs. And you only get that by getting in those meetings and really listening to what's going on, understanding how the market's moving, but building your own strategy just by listening to Coach in the main, but other people in the VIP in more detail, what they've done right, what they've done wrong. But for me, it's really understanding now when not to trade. Like yesterday, I didn't make one trade yet, and there was people making fortunes, but it just didn't fit in with my set of rules. So I have a set of rules now. So that's my piece.
For me, the morning session is like getting prepped for a major exam. It gives you a certain comfort level for the day and some kind of barometer to go by that I feel like it's priceless. Just that comfort level and that prep that you get in the morning is amazing. And with that being said, I was also one of the very early ones to be a VIP. It's worth every dime, every single dime.